The easiest way to fill out medical forms, the Remudex. The Remudex stores your medical information and saves you time from filling out forms at the doctor's office. The accurate information eliminates errors in diagnoses and manages your healthcare better. The Remudex is easy, portable, and secure.
I'm a local businessman. It requires me to travel extensively through the United States, and when I'm home, Dr. Beatty is my personal physician. And a couple months ago, he introduced me to the Remudex, which I carry on my keychain. And it allows me to put all my medical records on this USB port and carry them with me wherever I go throughout the states.
If I'd have had this little Remudex to have recorded my children's birth records and their shots when they started to school, their illnesses and what have you, life would have been much more simple.
Call to order the easiest way to store your medical information, the Remudex, 877-729-3501, or online at remudex.com.